everybody. Thank you so much for pressing play on my video today. My name is Sharleen from stampwithshar.com and I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator here in the US. It's Monday, you guys. Happy Monday. Thank you so much for pressing play on my video. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe, click on that bell. That way you will be notified every time I do upload a video. Today's Monday, which means it's Casing the Catty Monday. But before we get started, I wanted to congratulate the Patriots. We are off to the Super Bowl, you guys. Congratulations. Casing stands for copy and share. But for today's video, I wanted to share with you some of the cards that I received. I recently took part in 3 different card swaps. So for the next 3 consecutive Mondays, I'm going to be sharing with you all the different cards that I got. Now, this is a great way to get different ideas from different demonstrators because, let's face it, we're all different and we're all making different things. I'm going to flip the camera and I'm going to share all the different cards. If you want to head on over to my website, www.stampwithshar.com, I will have all the different images right on over at my website. A lot of these cards are not stamped on the inside. So again, stamping that is optional. We do not have to stamp or decorate the inside of our cards. I'm going to flip the camera and I'm going to share with you all the cards that I received. This is our first card. Such a pretty card, you guys. This card comes from Lori. Beautiful card. Lori's decided to use the Butterfly Beauty Thinlits. And it's covered with some Wink of Stella. The butterflies. She's got some embossing going on here. It doesn't open all the way. Beautiful card, you guys. Our next card. The next card comes from Kim. Kim used the All That You Are stamp set. Now, Kim has gone ahead and finished the inside of the card. Now, that is optional, you guys. We don't have to do that for these card swaps, but Kim just decided she was actually going to finish the inside of her card. So that's Kim's card. Our next card is this beautiful card right here. A lot of embossing going on, some coloring, stunning card. This next card is from Catty, and Catty used the stamp set Wonderful Romance. Beautiful card, Catty. Thank you so much. Our next card comes from Jan. This next card is from Jan, and Jan used the Climbing Roses stamp set and Thinlits for her card. Beautiful, beautiful card. So that card comes from Jan. Our next card is from Sarah. Sarah's got a lot of heat embossing going on here. Beautiful. And she's also used the framelits, the squares. Stunning. She's heat embossed the inside of her card. Again, a beautiful card from Sarah. The next card is from Heather. Beautiful card, Heather. Thank you so much, everybody. I love everybody's cards. So much detail in the cards. Again, optional whether you want to stamp on the inside. And this card is using the needle and thread, some of the products from that specific suite. Our next card is from Ginger. A lovely, beautiful card from Ginger. Ginger used the Let It Ride stamp set. Ginger also did stamp on the inside. Beautiful. If anybody's into horses, this card is so pretty. Love it. Thank you, Ginger. Our next card is from Debbie. Debbie's card, you guys, is a beautiful Father's Day card using the Geared Up Garage, some of the product from there. You can see these gears. She did some tone-on-tone stamping. Beautiful masculine card, which I do struggle with. Thank you so much, Debbie. And then this last card is from Bob. Let me just make sure. The last card is from Bob. Now, I am not 100% sure where this stamp set comes from. I have looked everywhere. If somebody knows where this little cute little bug is from, leave it in the comments, you guys. Thank you so much for tuning in today. I hope you enjoyed everybody's cards. I will have over on my website all the details about today's card. And again, I hope everybody has a wonderful Monday. Thank you so much for stopping by. We'll see you again on Wednesday. Take care.